Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving deep into programmers' secure product update system in PHP. We are going to focus entirely on the backend process, explaining every line from checking authentication, validating data, handling file uploads to updating the database securely. If you are building a seller dashboard or product management system, this is exactly what you need. Let's get started. Session and authentication. First we need to make sure that user is logged in. This starts the session if it's not already active. Then we check if the user is logged in. This ensures unauthenticated users cannot access the update page. Always do this check on the backend. Next, we get the user role and ensure only seller can update products. This is role-based access control, very important for multi-user systems. Fetching product and ownership check. We need to fetch the specific product that the seller wants to update, ensuring they actually own it. This converts the URL parameter to an integer to prevent invalid IDs. Then the database query. Notice we use a prepared statement to prevent SQL injection. Also we restrict the query to the logged in seller using $user ID. If the product is not found, we redirect. This prevents unauthorized access to products of other sellers. Fetch categories. For the update, we need product categories. This is a simple read query. We don't rely on user input here, so SQL injection risk is low. Then we store categories in an array for using validation or later display. Processing the post request. Now come the main backend logic, handling the update request, validate input, handle image upload and update database. Validate input allows string input to remove extra spaces. Convert numbers using int val and float val to avoid string injection. Then server-side validation. Never only on front-end validation alone, back-end validation is mandatory. Handle image upload. If the seller uploads a new image, validate type and size. Use unique ID to avoid file name collisions. Safely delete old files to avoid clutter. Always check for upload errors with upload error OK key. Update database. Finally, the update query. Prepared statements protect against SQL injection. Where ID and seller ID. Ensure only the seller's product can be updated. Optional image updates are handled by $image URL. Always check the result for success and return a message to the front end. Echo success or echo error message. This allows the JavaScript front end to display success or error feedback. Controller overview. Controllers organize your logic. Our seller controller. Get seller products. Fetch all products with review information. Get seller orders. Fetch orders history. Get dashboard status. Aggregates earnings, buyers, active products and average ratings. Controllers separate back-end logic from front-end display, which is best practices. Security recap. Security is critical in back-end updates, authentication and session checks, role-based authentication, prepared statements for all queries, server-side validation for all inputs, safe file upload handling, all file deleting safely, and meaningful error message without exposing sensitive information. Following these practices prevent data leak, SQL injection, and unauthorized access. And that's complete deep dive into backend product updating. We covered fetching and verifying products, validating inputs, handling file uploads, updating to the database securely, and providing proper feedback to the front end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more web development tutorials from DB Codec. See you in the next video.